Kabor Sensor District karib hoi kala Shim ke Sienjam banwat ye kilat Jingïada Kiba Paka Halor ke Jing'e kabayde ke Jingshlei ke bujuja mala kapor hagathan Jorabat-Khanapara naga hakani ke Jingelang bala pulong do Deputy Commissioner karib hoi District Dr. Abhishek Saini laidon langdu ki officer naga National Highway Authority of India NHAI katanat PWD Water Resources District Disaster Management Authority, Soil and Water Conservation, Forest Department, Meghalaya Police, but ke officer naka North Eastern Space Application Center. Habakren skilap thai bor hadin ke Jingelang Dr. Abhishek Saini ulaong. Bala ekren sani bha halor kilat Jingïada ki badai ban pentrekam no khamkloi hadin ba ke Jingshlei hakini gisngi baladap kala penjenjar sishai pajba. Ulang ru bawala ke Jing'e kun ban penbet ya kene ke Jing'e kelas dang naduk ki snem balalin. Hane gadan kam ban penstet ya ke jing pentrikam ki projek ki berangsa kenang ba on la ban penduna ya ke jing shakta jing pajba hagapor bajur slam.
So today we had a coordination meeting to look for various measures and solutions to solve the flooding problem in the Jorabat-Khanapara area. We had a meeting with the various line departments, including from NHAI, from PWD, Water Resources, Police Department, District Disaster Management Office, and Soil and Water Conservation, Forest also. And we discussed at length the various immediate measures as well as the long-term measures that are required to be taken. Various measures have already been taken in the past also. However, we need to speed that up, and our effort was to make sure that that the flooding problem we can mitigate, and also what to do so that in long term the impact is less. Officials from NESAC were also there, and decisions were taken in various categories, like for example widening the drains that are there, and to NHAI cleaning of the drains, and at the same time any kind of constructions required, whether check dams or other places. And we focused on the hotspots where flooding has been recurring, and we have also issued various orders. And I would also urge the various citizens to please make sure that the garbage is not thrown into the drains, because many cases we have seen that it ends up clogging the drains, and in the end the water does not get the proper outlet and it leads to flooding. So I would request cooperation from the citizens also, so that we are able to solve this problem in the short term as well as in the long term. Thank you.